Hi guys, this is John here. In this quick practical session, I will walk you through one more section on Entrepedia, which is the salaries for your team members, which is for your core team members. Now, core team members are the members with whom you want to start the company. Now, it's a simple decision you have to take. Are you going to pay yourself a salary or will you take the cut out of the profit? So if you remember in the earlier lecture, I had explained to you that if you are a core team member or you want to hire people on salary, you can decide whether you want to pay yourself a salary or not. So here I am deciding not to pay myself a salary, and so my salary will be zero. However, I will get a part of the profit. So here I'm deciding not to pay myself a salary. So I'm going to click save and next. However, if you want to add team members that you need to pay a salary, on Entrepedia here in the platform, you can add the salary here. You can click on the plus sign here and enter the team members whom you want to pay the salary. And if you want to add another team member, you can keep adding more and more members and keep entering their salary information. However, please remember that this cost of salary will get multiplied by 12 times because this is a monthly salary. It's a per month salary. So be careful about that. So the more people you hire, the more salary you will have to pay. Hence, higher would be your cost. Okay guys, so just be careful about this. So I'm just showing you, in case you decide to hire people and pay salaries, this is where you will enter the information on Entrepedia. Okay guys, now that I am not adding more than one member, so I'm going to remove this and click on save and next. Now in the next section, I will speak about sales and marketing, and we will enter our information about marketing here. This I will talk about in my next session. I hope this session was clear for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next session. Thank you.